Okay, so we got an issue here. There's these wires, or this wire connector that comes with the new lights doesn't fit into the old connector. So we got to take them out. Throw that away or keep it. Okay, so the old tail light comes with this connector fitting right there. It's more like a rectangle. And the new one is like that. See, it's more oval and it doesn't fit into this connector. So what I did, these wires were inside. You gotta push the little tab that's way back there. Push it up and those wires will come right out. So then after you take the wires out of the connector, I just use a little bit of heat shrink to cover it up some, to stick it in the end of the other connector that comes with the light. Okay, so I just connected the wires like this. I took the connector off. What I gotta do now is just wrap everything up. And then after you wire everything, it should be like this.